Hey guys, this is behind our house. Nake ekhaya nanka amanzi la atshiza aphuma edwaleni, yabo nje siba neziphethu all over. Sinempophomo la egcekeni, sine yini ilo, siney'khukhula la ekhaya egcekeni. Look egcekeni ey'khukhula. Here's some water coming through the gate, yabo. Imvula le was so dangerous. Amanzi aqhamuka ngaphandle azongena la ekhaya la, yabo. Sinomfula totally, and usidestroyele i-driveway yethu. This is our yard. Igceke lethu livukele nje. Things is bad.